Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see speech on Swami Vivekananda. 1. Good morning everyone. 2. My name is Amit. 3. Today I am going to speak a few words about Swami Vivekananda. 4. Swami Vivekananda was a great man of India. 5th. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. 6. His childhood name was Narendra Datta. 7. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. 8. Swami Vivekananda mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Paramahansa. 9. He gave a famous speech in Chicago in 1893. 10. He died on 4 July 1902. Thank you watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.